Flight controllers at the ATV Control Center in Toulouse, France, reporting perfect burns so far by the jet thrusters on the Jules Verne. Everything is right on the money as the ATV now passes just off the east coast of the southern tip of South America, about to begin a southwest to northeasterly track that will carry it across the equator and the west coast of Africa a short time from now. All systems in excellent shape. Everything has gone right on the timeline today as the 22-ton Jules Verne sits passively 820 feet behind the Zvezda service module, right at the precise point in space at the precise time that had been choreographed years ago by European flight controllers.
GMT mode change has been issued. Copy. S3.
The onboard computers on the Jules Verne now transitioning to videometer guidance and relative attitude control. A short time from now, the commands will be given to press even further in, closer to the station, to a distance of just 492 feet, at which time the station crew in the Zvezda service module, Yuri Malenchenko, the flight engineer, will issue commands to essentially retreat the ATV. It's called a retreat command that will put the ATV in reverse, backing it up to just 600 feet. In an initial confirmation that the abort command for the approach can be issued from the crew on board. Those commands, by the way, can be issued all the way to a point just 3 feet away. That is known as the crew hands-off point or the chop point, inside which the crew no longer can issue an abort command. This dramatic view now showing the automated transfer vehicle from external cameras on the International Space Station. This view as it sits passively just 820 feet behind the aft port of the Zvezda service module. The large dish-shaped antenna is the Lyra antenna, which is the high data rate transmission antenna for the Russian segment of the International Space Station. You can see the Zvezda solar arrays slewed or feathered to an edge-on position to prevent any inadvertent jet thruster pluming of those delicate solar arrays by the automated transfer vehicle as it makes its final approach.
Monitor visually the holding at 11 meters. 12 meter mark passed, 0.07 rate. All the systems nominal, all the parameters are nominal. Copy. 11 meters approaching. The rate is decreasing, 0.02, 0.01.
A dramatic view of the 22-ton Jules Verne sitting just 36 feet away from the Russian segment of the International Space Station. All this activity being monitored inside Zvezda by Peggy Whitson, the Expedition 16 commander, and flight engineers Yuri Malenchenko and Garrett Riesman.
Yuri, we have a confirmation that station keeping mode is at 11 meters. Please move the slider to the station keeping 11 meters section and move to step 17, station keeping S41. In work. And also report on system status on the course rate and on the ruler. range 11 meters, rate 0.
Flight controllers at the ATV Control Center in Toulouse now report that their look at all of the Jules Verne systems confirm it is in readiness for the retreat command that will begin the final phase of today's activities that have resulted in a successful close approach to the International Space Station.